Hello friends, we welcome you all. Today we are going to have a lot of fun. We are going to draw some of the simple things in just few easy simple steps. Just watch the video till end. So today we are going to begin by drawing this ice cream. It's the character of the ice cream that we are trying to make. This one looks so cool and nice. See how we have created it, and then we are filling it with some of your favorite colors. This ice cream is actually the chocolate flavored, hence we have kept the brown color. This looks so nice, and just give it a try. Now it's time to trace down the dino. Dinos were the creatures that existed in the earth past hundreds of the years ago, but today they don't exist on this earth. So today we are going to trace it down in just few easy simple steps. Then we are filling it with this green color. You can use any other color. I have here used the sketch pens. You can use the wax colors or you can use the pencil ones. This one is very good and it's best suitable for the small kids. Just pause the video and follow each step, and don't forget to add the details like I am doing here. Again, we are going to trace down another ice cream cone, but this one represents the character of the pig, and we are just trying to trace it down. You can pause the video. This type of the painting is best suitable for the small kids. See how we are tracing the cone of this softie, and then we are just filling it with the pink peach color because it's the pig and pigs are usually pink in color, and this might represent the vanilla flavor of the ice cream because vanilla one is cream colored. See how cute and nice this one looks. Add the further details like we are doing here. This one is so good and it's very less time consuming. Just go for this one. We have used here the sketch pens. You can use the pencil, crayons or even watercolors. The choice depends on you. I am comfortable with the sketch one, so I am using that. This one is very good and it's so cute. It's a sheep inspired character and it's the she sheep. See how we are making the pins, actually the bow shaped pins, and they look so nice. This type of the drawing is little bit difficult and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Just follow all these steps carefully. Don't forget to add the details like we have done here. Eyelashes, some whiskers, tail. These are so cute and nice. You just have to fill it with some of your favorite colors as it represents a sheep. So we are using the pink one. You can use any other color. Choice depends on you. I like the pink one, hence I have filled it with the pink color. This is so nice. Just have a look. Our next drawing is best suitable for the kindergarten students. Yes, we are tracing down a cupcake, and see its difficulty level is very simple and very easy. Just give it a try. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. Our next activity is again the ice cream stick, and see the ice cream stick is just closing its eyes. This one is so good and it's very easy, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 4 to 6. I'm using the sketch pens. You can use the pencil ones. See how we are adding the further details. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.